Hey everyone, I'm Devendra and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the application process for the Microsoft Product Management Internship in India. Whether you are an MBA student with a passion for product management or someone looking to work at one of the world's leading tech companies, this is an exciting opportunity you don't want to miss. And don't forget to check out my blog, thewodm.com, for more detailed insights and tips on this internship program. The link is in the description below. Before you start applying, make sure your CV, resume and cover letter are polished and ready to go. Let's get started. Let's start with your resume. This document is your first impression, so make sure it's professional and tailored to the Product Management MBA internship. Here are some key tips. Highlight your technical and business skills, including tools like Power BI, Excel, or other data analysis software. Showcase relevant projects or internships, particularly those involving product strategy, cross-functional collaboration, or data-driven decision-making. Include metrics to demonstrate impact. For example, increased team efficiency by 20% through process optimization during my internship at XYZ Corp. Make your resume clear, concise, and targeted for the role. Your cover letter is your chance to tell your story and stand out from the crowd. Here's how to craft a compelling one. Start strong. Mention your excitement about the internship and why you are applying. Align your skills and experiences with Microsoft's mission and the role requirements. Use specific examples to demonstrate your impact. For example, during my MBA at university, I developed a go-to-market strategy that increased adoption by 30%. End with enthusiasm and a call to action. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to Microsoft's innovative culture and look forward to discussing how I can add value to the team. Remember, keep your letter authentic, concise, and no more than one page long. Now that your resume and cover letter are ready, it's time to navigate the Microsoft Careers page. Here's how to do it. Visit careers.microsoft.com and search for the Microsoft Product Management MBA internship role. Make sure to select the correct listing for your preferred location in India. Read the job description carefully, paying close attention to the required and preferred qualifications. Click on Apply. Upload your resume and cover letter in PDF format for a professional look. Fill out all required fields, including contact details and academic information. Double-check everything for accuracy before clicking Submit. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation email with the subject line, "Welcome to Microsoft Careers." Keep in mind, applications are reviewed on a rolling basis, so don't wait until the last minute. The sooner you apply, the better your chances. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helps you in your application journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.